Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys can hear me though, cause like the neighbor's gen is on and there's light, but like Nigeria is a shithole right now, so I don't really blame them. I got myself a birthday present. Okay, one of my numerous birthday presents. Currently 1:47 a.m. Today is Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Okay, so I'm about to unbox this. Yeah, so I got this in white. I don't know if that was a smart idea. Also, Brazil burnt my skin, so I'm trying to get my skin back. There's a lot going on. Back to work. I did my hair and my nails today. Bearable.
DJ Spinall, top boy.
Ọlọ́ládé mi Àṣàkẹ́.
Tune into the king of songs and blues.
ọmọ ológo kò ní sófò gbogbo ìṣòro rẹ ọ̀tá ní òkò ẹnu ẹ ò ní gbẹ ò ní mọ́fò ọmọ yìí kò ọpọlọ lọ fi ń gbé kò ṣé you no like designer àbí you no like to gapa ibigi lágàtì gàgà you gats to shop ẹtẹ
Here we go.
Palazzo jígì gbọ́jà kò lè reason no sleeping ọmọ no dọ́ọ̀lì gba ọ̀bẹ́tì kíákíá ọmọ yá mi máì jí o ṣàmọ̀ yá mi òdìdẹ bàtà wọn.
Hi guys, my skin looks better in person. That's one. Two, I changed my phone. If you notice, it has like the focus thing because I gave my camera out. Don't let my mom watch this video. She's probably going to take the piss, but I did it for a good cause. And if you hear the full story, you'll probably be proud of me as well. It's a new week, or technically it's probably a new day as well. I think today's 10th of April. I don't know, you guys, just check your phones. Probably going to be like 20 something of April when you watch this video, but who cares? Easter is this weekend because today's probably Monday. I pray I don't have work. My boss traveled. It's Ramadan as well. This week I'm going to do self-care. I have a birthday dinner on the 17th, which is Sunday, so I'm going to do hair. This hair was so pretty. I didn't even vlog it. Like, you guys, I've just been living like my life on the low and enjoying every bit of it. I promise you that this camera isn't doing me justice. I look better in person. I need to get facials. I need to do my eyebrows. I need to do my nails. I need to do my hair. I need to do a full body wax. Manicure, pedicure, of course. I think that's about it. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and thank you for always being patient with me.
Ow.
Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ha. Ooh yeah, another banger. People they talk say na only woman as I be talk about, only me make I just they talk about them. I know we focus on the negativity inside my country, so me I got to change the matter. I don't talk, I don't shout, I don't bless, I don't come, I don't tweet, I don't cuss my dada. Cruise no they finish inside the country, so once in a while I got to turn up. Yeah, are you there?
I want this. See, I can't believe it. I can't blame myself for this. You went up was born for this. I
Man is the business.
Business.
Otis, come and go to the vet. Who is playing with you? Otis! I don't have time today. You will learn how to go to the vet. Bring paper and biro. Let me write the address for you. And I'll give you my ATM card. Come here! Take. You see, play has finished you. Take. Yeah.
The way you repeat.
You want to look like Dada?
I have just been taking time to mind myself. I don't know how I feel about my makeup. I need to go and shy yo. You guys, I'm probably going through it. I've been working and a lot has been happening in my life. Short like big music videos. I should try more with my YouTube channel. This hair pissing me the fuck off and I'm taking it out soon.
No, but that time no, the time
No, now that's 2017, 2016, 2017.
Change their name from Etala to Nemo, by the way, like
Rubbish.
No,
that's
when they were so
like literally anywhere, anytime, no network.
You guys, everything is so ready. And Yola the best. And Yola is the best event planner.
Put like a few more water up, just in case.
Yeah.
to discuss it. Cause I can't believe I found them without money down to. I'm a me happy at auto. I no go feed the girl. I no go feed the girl is auto. I know holy and I know they can go. Like the Baba.
As you can see, both I see elephant.
Have everybody's attention, please.
Commander is talking.
Before we start this journey, please let's commit the day into. We are going to have a great time. Nobody, boyfriend or girlfriend, will break up with them today. Okay, now I'm my love. I know they wait for my own. Not to make the, live a good life. What I know, what I did that, make. Do you understand? I know what I did. So, I'll do it again. You and make everything.
I'll make sure you
If you die today,
What if you only made him because of the 50-50 choice?
you can't. If you die today, it will. Boss. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Senator, please, I want to go and shine you. Hello, you carry back like a pillow. I was going to phone on the ghost. So much.
Those boat drivers, really.
I got really scared when I looked around. Nobody was beside me.